Wish you all a very happy 2024. Alright, how do you like my new voice?
Hey guys, so that was a short video of me sharing a new year message with my family, and you could see that my throat was really bad. So why am I making this video? I want to show you the power of food and lifestyle when you use it wisely, how powerful it is to combat sicknesses caused due to changes in the weather, and how you can fight off bacteria, disease and pathogen with ghar ka khana, with ingredients in your kitchen where you don't need injections and antibiotics at all. I've always had a history of contracting a sore throat when I was a corporate trainer for 13 years. But after COVID, I realized that if I ever contracted a sore throat infection, it would get so bad, so bad. It was extremely painful, literally agonizing for me to swallow my own saliva. I would build up huge quantities of phlegm. And whenever I went to the doctor, they would just say, "Oh, your throat is extremely bad, my goodness." And they would load me up with a lot of antibiotics and injections. And I would remain sick for 2 to 3 weeks with that pain in my throat. It was very scary for me, very uncomfortable. Now come December 2023, I'm full-time into nutrition. Also December, I was having my haldi recipe, which I've shared on Instagram too. The fresh shoot of haldi with garlic, honey, black pepper and triphala powder. After Christmas of December 2023, I felt kind of an itch in my throat. And by the 1st of Jan, you saw I had a bad throat, right? You could see that in the video. But curiously, this time it wasn't as severe as my sore throat infections post-COVID. Why am I sharing this with you? You see, because this recipe I kept having daily every morning, all right, is extremely powerful in its anti-inflammatory properties to tackle bacteria and virus, all right? It's anti-inflammatory, it scrubs free radicals from your body, it removes excess cholesterol from your arteries, even cleanses your liver, and excellent for weight loss, all right? And because of the heat it builds up, it protects your body from these cold waves as well. It's normal for everyone to fall sick, even nutritionists like me, we fall sick. But if your sickness is really severe and prolonged, it's a sign that your immune system is not very strong. But if you fall sick, the sickness is not that severe and you recuperate really quickly, like I did now from the sore throat, it means your immune system is really protecting you. Your immune system, our immune system, is the first and last line of defense against any disease. You see, don't try to treat a disease. Rather, use food and lifestyle to strengthen your immune system, because your immune system is what will protect you and neutralize disease, bacteria and viruses. So try this recipe followed by a large glass of warm water with the juice of half a lemon. Remember everyone, food and lifestyle is the best medicine when used wisely and consistently. And you know what, even though it's so cold, every day I have an ice cold bath, right? Because that actually helps to build up heat in your body by increasing the brown adipose tissue as well. So subscribe to Nutrition Counter Revolution, everyone, on Instagram and on YouTube with the same name. Remember, God's food and lifestyle is the most powerful medicine we can ever give ourselves. And you know what? All this khana, food, is found in your kitchen. Learn to use it wisely and consistently. All right.